2014 Mazda CX9. So suddenly the check engine light comes on and it's almost unexplainable. It comes on and it goes off, and the family complained that the check engine light would sometimes come on. So what we'll do is we'll plug in the launch 431 to the car and pull the code, and lo and behold, the only engine code that we get here is CamShaft position sensor. Even though that is very alarming, the immediate thing for someone to think is that there's a major problem. Yes, of course, this is an indication that something is abnormal. So we'll look at the code assist and see what the suggested fix is for that. And the brilliant thing about this tool is it gives us known solution to this P0344 CamShaft position sensor. So it says replaced oil level. So we need to check our oil level, and if you repair that, that will solve your problem. By checking the oil level, you'll find that the oil level is low. Add oil to it, and that should resolve your problem. Before panicking, if you get this P0344 in your Mazda CX9, first thing to do is just check the oil level, fill the oil to the right level, clear the code, and see if the code comes back. That should 100% of the time solve the problem of the P0344 in the car. If this has been helpful for you, please thumbs up, share this, please subscribe. And if you have any question, please send your question in the comment section. I will try to get to as many of the questions as I can. Thank you. I was due for an oil change anyways. We went ahead and changed the oil, and now the check engine light is gone. All right, please subscribe